Unlock cinematic brilliance with your Sony Alpha A1 and Cp3 lens by mastering these essential 8K log video settings. First, let's dive into the shooting menu. Navigate to image quality and size. Select record setting and choose 8000 FHQ. This is crucial for capturing the highest possible resolution. Next, ensure your bit rate is set to its maximum, typically 200 megabits per second or higher, for the most detail and color information. Now, for the magic of log recording, select picture profile and choose PP11, which is Sony's Log 3. This gives you the widest dynamic range for post-production grading. When it comes to the Cp3 lens, Aperture is your paintbrush for depth of field. Aim for apertures between T21 and T29 for that beautiful, creamy bokeh that isolates your subject. Manual focus is paramount here. Engage focus peaking and set it to read. This visual guide will highlight the edges, view and focus areas, ensuring critical sharpness on your subject. For color settings within Log 3, keep the color mode on SCinetone or neutral. Avoid creative looks at this stage, as you'll have maximum flexibility during your color grade. Remember, Log 3 footage will appear flat straight out of camera. The true beauty of these settings is revealed in post-production grading, where you can craft your unique cinematic look. With these settings dialed in, your Sony Alpha A1 and Cp3 lens combination is ready to capture breathtaking 8K log footage. Happy shooting!